So guys, what do you want to do today? I don't even know. I mean, you did scream in our ear. That is true. So, whoa, whoa, what are those things you have? Those are fidget spinners. You haven't heard of them? Nope. I don't even know what a fidget spinner is. Want to show you what's cool about it? You can spin it, bro. Won't spin it? Oh yeah, boy! I'm about to play some. I'm not gonna play some Call of Duty today. I'm about to play some fidget spinner simulator. Cause you know what? Fidget spinners are a face. Look at this fidget spinner. Spin, spin, spin. Black Yoshi, what do you want? Can I have your fidget spinner?
No.
Oh gosh. Oh, I don't want to watch TV today. I want to watch Fidget Spinner. Dad. Jeez, why do you always do that, Junior? What do you want? Can I borrow your fidget spinner? No, this is my fidget spinner, not your fidget spinner. Go ask Chef Sharky to go buy you a fidget spinner. Whee! Chef Sharky! Where'd you go, Chef Sharky? What's that piece of paper saying right there? I'm on vacation. Don't ask for food or any toys, Junior, and his stupid little brat friends. Dad! What, Junior? Did Chef Sharky go get you a fidget spinner? He's on break.
What? He's on break. Oh, I'm gonna kill him.
No, you can't kill him. Why? He's our chef. That's pretty obvious. He is a big part of the channel. That's really cute. Anyways, can I please have your fidget spinner?
No. I already told you that. Hey!
This is my fidget spinner. I'm gonna put it on myself. It's on myself now. No, you can't take my fidget spinner. Ha. Guys! What? I can't get a fidget spinner! Why? Why can't you get a fidget spinner, bro? Chef Sharky isn't here.
Chef Sharky isn't here, Ray.
Jeez, I don't even want to be here. I just want a fidget spinner like you guys. Just wait. You say you want a fidget spinner, right? You say you want a fidget spinner. Then you should go ask the Bulborb! The Bulborb? Who the heck is the Bulborb? He's like this one magical thing. He's super cool. He can help you get a fidget spinner or something, bro. He can make it out thin air or something. Ooh! Woo! I can make things out thin air. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, I made thin air. Are you the Bulborb my friends talked about? Yeah, we were. Well, I want a fidget spinner. A fidget spinner? Fidget spinner? I can make the thing there, because I'm a snapper. Did you just have a seizure or something? Yeah. Well, anyways. I can make a fidget spinner. But it will cost you a bunch of money. It'll cost you about $70. That's way too much. What do you even say? I said $70, but very, very loud, and I raised the decimals up very, very high. We don't